So in this video, you'll learn how to disable Speak Keyboard Input Aloud on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So whenever you have this feature enabled, it means that whatever you press on your keyboard, whether it's a number or a letter,
J,
it means that your phone, will just speak the input aloud. So because I've pressed on J, it's said J. If I erase it,
J delete.
then again it will say what exactly I've just done on my keyboard. So if you want to turn this feature off, whether you accidentally activated it or you just no longer need to use it, this is what you need to do. Start by opening the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select General Management. Under General Management, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then you want to look for the option Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. Select it. From here, look for Speak Keyboard Input Aloud and tap on it. And to disable it, just tap on the toggle like that and it will be disabled. If you want to disable it temporarily, but you don't want to keep navigating through settings to enable it, you can always just come to this option here, Speak Keyboard Input Aloud shortcut, and just enable it. And so with that enabled, it means that you no longer need to navigate through settings to turn it on. You can just use this accessibility function to enable or disable this feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.